MaSTherCell is a CDMO, contract development and manufacturing organization. We provide process development and manufacturing service to R&D companies, and we are active in the cell therapy field. We have opened a new manufacturing site in Belgium, a new wing of manufacturing, and we inaugurated this capacity in November. We have recently acquired a new building in Belgium, also in Gosselies. It's a 5,000 square meter where we plan to establish a very large-scale commercial facility. We have experienced a very strong growth over the past years, and we plan to continue to hire people, to train them, and to continue to deliver very high-quality service to our customers. We've been also very successful at keeping a human structure with a strong focus on people. Our values include agility, engagement, innovation, transparency, but even more importantly, team spirit. And for us, it's very important, while growing, to keep this very collaborative atmosphere. We invest in people development from a personal point of view, but also we invest in making sure we keep a very good culture, a very fun atmosphere. Thanks to the HR team and the communication team, we organize a lot of very fun events for the year, which includes a Christmas event, barbecues, also sport events, many type of things where everyone can have a lot of fun, I can tell. We have a very strong training and onboarding system, which helps freshly graduated people to quickly play a role in the teams. And I think more importantly to me, the impact we have on patients' life. The fact that we help people to get access, very sick patients, to get access to game-changing therapies. And the fact that by doing this, we play a very active role in shaping the future of the medicine is something that is very of high motivation for everyone.